Hi guys, welcome to Gadget. This is Sulabh and we are unboxing the Go Noise Play 2 action camera. Let's go ahead and see what's inside the box.
Alright guys, before we go ahead, do hit the subscribe button and the bell icon next to it so that you see our videos first.
Alright, so as soon as you open the box, you're greeted with two different types of boxes inside. We'll go one by one and see what's inside each one of them. And you also get a thank you note from the Noise people. Right, gonna keep the box aside for a little while. Right, so I think this is the action camera. It's called Noise Play 2 black box. Specifications include a 16 MP image sensor, 7G glass lens, 170 degree FOV, 5.08 centimeter touchscreen LCD display, Wi-Fi and speaker are built in, and it's got mini USB, micro HDMI, and a couple of other slots. Alright, so battery is 1200 mAh. Okay, so let's see what's inside this first box. Right, so this action camera retails for the MRP is 13,999, but on websites like Flipkart and all, you can get it for about under 10,000 rupees. Alright, so there you have it. That's the Noise Play 2 action camera. It is inspired by the GoPro, but then it's much cheaper than the GoPro. The shutter release, the 2-inch LCD screen. So this camera does not have an onboard storage. You need to put in a micro SD card inside. It can accommodate up to 128 GB. So anything between the 64 GB to the 128 GB would be fine for 4K recording. Yes, it can record videos in 4K, and it's light to hold. Let's see what else is inside the box. You've got a manual here, and there's one more slot underneath, which has the charging USB cable. There's no charger as such inside. I'm just going to keep that aside for a little while. Alright, so let's see what's inside the other box. It's probably the carry case and a couple of other attachments that you can connect to the Play 2 and shoot your videos. Right, so as suspected, all these attachments come inside this box that can be, connected to the Play 2, and whenever you are out in the wild, or you go biking or super biking for that matter, you can connect these devices to the Play 2 and go on your journey. Right, so you get the casing here. You have a couple of attachments. These probably connect to the camera itself, and you have a little lens cover over here. Right, on the other side, I think some more attachments are there. Right, so these are additional attachments that you get, mounts and holders for different type of needs. This is probably for your handlebar. You get a couple of stickers as well, so that you can attach it to your helmet or the front of your bonnet. And some more clips and mounts in here. Right, so Pretty cool. You get a neat nifty little box with the camera, and it can be packed inside snugly. So let's go ahead and turn it on and see what this camera is all about. Right, so that's the home screen. It's a touch LCD and you get all those menus by touching the 2-inch touch display. So the Noise Play 2 is equipped with 3-axis gyro sensors and electronic image stabilization. The battery is 1200 mAh and it should last you for about 2 hours of continuous video shooting. It's good for people who are outdoorsy and want to capture everything that is around them when they go out for a hike. The battery is placed underneath and it is definitely interchangeable. I'm not too sure if you can freely get it in the Indian market, but yes, you can remove it and change it. Alright guys, so that was the Play 2 by Noise. If you do like the video, do subscribe to our channel as we bring you more. We've got a neat little Instagram page as well. Do hit a like over there as well. This is Sulabh signing off.